In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a wood fire rack. And this one right here comes in black, but they also come in silver, apparently. And these are they call them the lock plates, alignments. It looks pretty simple. It's all done with these little thumb screws and wing nuts right here. That is a lot. So I'm going to go ahead, take it all out, get it laid out here, and then I'll go over this thing and let you know how long it takes to put it together and what kind of issues I might have. Oh, look at that. We got the white glove treatment with this one. So we do have the gloves, and I guess because this right here is sharp. So let me go ahead, take all this out, and then I'll come back. I just laid it all out here. So here's the wood ring right here. It's going to be all those, and the base is actually included in there. I didn't even know that. Screw that together, and then I'll come back and show you what we got. Okay, there it is. I just put these together, and you know what? They definitely had a good supply of wing nuts. Look at this. So all you do is basically run the screw through the top, and it captures it, and then the wing nuts you just tighten down. It just takes a while to line it all up, but it went fairly easy. You need no tools for this, and I had some left over. It looks like they gave me about 6 or 7 left over. And then here's the base. The base, luckily, is put together, and it just sits on this base like this, and you put firewood in it. Once you load the wood in it, it will kind of like stabilize itself. You load up one side and just kind of go back and forth, and it's solid. That thing ain't going anywhere. It keeps your wood out of the rain, and it's nice and contained right here. Fire pits over there. I did put a little bit of gap between them so we don't get an ember over here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the wood stack ring. See you on the next video.